the Great. The athlete. Bruno the Great. Ten, 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 ten. I hate you, Bruno. Next page. There was a basketball in the court of the basketball. Great was the amazing basketballer player there. At only one shot of he dribbled and dribbled in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Henry fans said, "Woohoo! Nice!" And Bruno was ambot-ambot, parang balala. And then wait, nawala ng page. And then after that minute and 5 seconds, Bruno shoot it. Whoa! Amazing shoot! And her fans love it. Bruno was very angry and very jealous. And inihiya, lalaki to niya, naging babae kinabay. Amo na inin. Bruno nagsushoot na. Makul ba na iya? Dribble. Naginit na laman. Tapos niya mga kanin ice cream, nagpapayang ang babae, lalaki, ginita na. So, ang iya pag dribble, ang bola lumatos. Pero na lang ang seconds, 0 seconds 0.5. Right? Nakaturog na iya mga nakatuloy, pero na nga. Tapos, let's try here. Tinuhay na ba yan? Yes, tinuhay. Tapos, shoot! Ay! Naingat-tungat to. Tapos, lumuksoy. The Great. Gumano. Tapos, yung sa linyang bola niya ka ng mga friends niya. Bruno, ha 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 ha. You're so chaka. Let's try. Shoot here. Uy, shoot! At ang buong mundo, ilang buong mundo, lahat ng planets, aliens, monsters, people, hayaks, things, all of the living things and non-living things was shocked. Sabi nila, ha? And